What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this is going to be an update on the Amazon FBA account as well as some wholesaling, stuff and all that fun stuff in there. So let's just get into the numbers real quick here. So today, so far, we are on $226.65 in gross sales, and we sold 12 units so far today. For the last 30 days, we're at $4,064.84 with 255 units. So again, gross sales there. So let's go over what's actually been selling here, right? So let's just scroll down. All right, so this is where it starts at right here, right? So the games and stuff like that that are $12, $13 and stuff like that, basically those are the games I spend $3 and I'll make about $3 in profit on each one. So we spend $3 to make $3, basically. Now the ones that are a lot higher than that, let's say like 35, 40, stuff like that, obviously we're going to be pocketing, about 25 to 30 plus on each one of those games here. And, that's mainly what I'm going over in this video here. So we bought some games at wholesale for $3 a piece, all brand new. And, basically we're selling them here for, the difference. So as you can see, on some of them is, spend 3, make 3. On some of them, the actual, is really nice or whatever. And again, I'll go over where you guys can find kits and little lots and all that fun stuff here in a second. So we sold some of the Sims here. So you see, we spent $3 for it, sold it for 33 after fees, probably like 25. Another Sims game here, same thing. Let's say we probably walked away with like 13 bucks in profit off of that. The Tiger Woods game here, again, spent 3 after fees, so you probably walk away like, I don't know, like 8, 9 bucks, something like that. There we spent for the Guitar Hero, again, spent 3. We're probably walking away after fees, let's say like 32 bucks off of that. So we're having some pretty nice, decent numbers here, literally just off of buying games that cost $3, right? So you see this right here. This Medal of Honor game, spent 3, probably made about 3. The Lord of the Rings game right here, again, spent 3. And, we're probably walking away with, let's say, about 12 bucks in profit off of that one. The Spyro game, spent 3. And, probably, again, walking away with, let's say, like 28, 30 bucks on, that one. And then the Xbox One, I'm in the Xbox game here for the Madden NFL 07. Spent 3, probably walking away about, let's just say, like, 10 bucks in profit. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, guys. Like, this kind of deterred me from buying this little lot here, or whatever you want to call it, because it had Xbox games, and I was like, no one plays Xbox games. Like, I would just be buying them just for the hell of it, and I don't even have. Wait, do I have an Xbox? I'm pretty sure I got one laying around here somewhere, but I was like, Xbox, like, I'm like so racist towards the Xbox. You know what I'm saying? Like, the only reason I have Xbox 360s and Xbox Ones and stuff like that is solely like just to have it. Like if someone come over, hey, let's play on the Xbox One. Oh, okay, no problem. You know what I'm saying? Oh, go jump on the Xbox One in the room, and I'll go jump on the other one in there, or go to the PS4 over there, and I'll jump on the PS4 over here. Something like something. That's the only reason I have them. Just in case I ever decide to use them. Other than that, they're literally just Netflix machines. Like, I mean, that's it. But yeah, super racist towards the Xbox games. But as you guys can see, they actually sold. So I was like super surprised when I seen Xbox game sales, because I was like, no one plays Xbox anymore. Who the hell is playing Xbox in 2019? But you looking at it from like your perspective. You know what I'm saying? Some people, might not be able to afford. No, if you're paying $19 for an Xbox game, you got some money. But let's just move on here. Same thing with this one here. Spend 3, made 3. And this Disney game right here, again, spend 3, and we're pocketing, let's say, about like 28, after fees or whatever. And that's what we sold so far today here. So we can obviously go over some more and stuff, whatever, but I'm sure you guys get the point by now. So you guys can go over to source.com. They used to be known as Blue Lots. Then you can also go to liquidation.com. Even Walmart has their own liquidation one. There's a bunch of liquidation sites. Like, you just literally just go to Google, type in wholesale liquidation or wholesale sites or whatever the case may be. Now, the one I don't recommend is, what is it called? DH Gate or something like that. Alibaba, stuff like that. Unless it's like the genuine product. Like, I mean, other than that, no. Like, because I actually went on there when I was looking at PS3 controllers, seeing if I could find a wholesaler for that. But only thing I could find was like complete knockoff controllers. And obviously you don't want to send any knockoff controllers or sell any of that stuff or whatever, you know. Again, I haven't even looked into that. I mean, you know, there probably are knockoff controllers on there where people actually know they are knockoff, they're not the original, you know. Then by all means you can sell those all day long. But again, you'll be taking a chance because, you know, I remember back in the day when I was buying them for the PS3 and like literally you would get them in the mail, push the button and they'd be fucking broken and like either when you got them or like in a couple of days. So yeah, it's just always better to go with the original, right? So, I actually like looked at this one right here. If you guys come to source.com, like you should be able to see this one right here. If you're watching this on what is today, March 20th, you'll see this right here. So if we open this up, we'll see these Xbox games are going for $17.39 a piece. So let's just say this was all brand new. This was exactly what I was looking for. Let's just say we come over here, and I'm going on the phone here, whatever, so you guys can't see it. But let's just say we go over here, we type in, you know, Xbox. What are these? Xbox One? Yeah, Xbox One controllers. And we're just gonna check and see how much we'll make. One second. It's acting real stupid. It's bringing up 360 controllers for some reason. Oh, probably because I typed in controllers instead of controller. Maybe if I put in the number one. There we go. Okay, so I had to put in the number one instead of like spelled out one. That's so weird. But okay, so we got it. We got the black controller here. So that's not bad. We'd be spending $17.39 per unit. And let's go over here, type that in. So we'd be walking away with about, let's just say 14, 18, but let's just say after shipping and all that stuff or whatever, let's say it's like, you know, 12 bucks on each one. That's not bad. I mean, that's not bad at all. I take that all day long. The only thing with this one here, because I actually was going to buy this one, but they're customer returns. And I'm not really looking for anything like that. You know, I don't want to buy some and they're broken. Like, I want stuff that's 100% brand spanking new. No issues, no nothing, you know, like, again, that's just me. You guys can go over here and buy these controllers up, you know, and then they would just come to your house or whatever, and then you can, like, literally pull them out the box, test each one, stuff like that, and then, you know, you can sell them, no problem, right? Again, you could even, let me see how much you would give as used condition. So, well, for this one, it wouldn't actually make sense to do it because you would get, 1882. So I mean, I guess you could put it as used like new, and then probably get like maybe like 29. Probably sell it. Nope, that's what they're selling it for there for used. So yeah, I wouldn't even sell these used. Like that's another thing. Like with video games too, I wouldn't even sell video games to use either. Forgot to mention that in the beginning. I would only buy brand new video games. You don't want to sell video games used and stuff. Like if you're a gamer, you like there's nothing more irritating when you buy a game and you know you're playing it and then like 2 hours into the game, it just like starts skipping. That is like the worst feeling ever, especially when it's like on a PS2 or an Xbox game or whatever. You can look at those damn games and they get scratched the hell up. Like even some well, not some, pretty much all 360 games are like that. The only ones you can probably get away with selling used are PS3 games and PS4 games, you know, and all the newer consoles and stuff like that. But PS3 games, like, you have to, like, really actually try and scratch them up. Like, this game right here is literally sitting without a case, you know, or anything along those lines, right? Let's see if I can show. Well, obviously, you guys probably aren't going to be able to see this on the camera or whatever, so they don't even make a point. But basically, there's, like, no scratches on this thing, like, at all. And it's literally been sitting out of the case on this, like, thing here for I don't know how long, right? just sitting there, not a single scratch on it, you know. So you gotta really try and scratch up one of those, you know, those type of games or whatever. But again, it doesn't have to be in, you know, the video game niche or anything along those lines. You can just come over here, click new or whatever site you want to go to, and then I like to go to buy it now because I'm not really into the whole bidding. But you know, it can be a lot of different stuff. So like, let's say these what is George Foreman grills here? All right, so let's say these George Foreman grills here, right? Let's go and, you know, check and see how much we'll get for this. All right, so let's just scan this right here. All right, so for this Mickey Mouse one here, we'll be getting $7.48 in profit, and it will cost us $295 for each unit. So let's go ahead and put that in, $295. But of course, we would have to add in, you know, the shipping and all that as well. So we'd have to take that, you know, and then take that by the units and all that stuff there. So let's just say, let's just round up or whatever, and just say like it's like $4.50 after everything, right? So we'd be walking away with $2.98 in profit off each one. Obviously, it could be a little lower or whatever, a little higher, whatever. I'm just like guesstimating here, but let's just say $3, you know, for each one. Again, that wouldn't be too bad, especially since the rank is, rank is 8,000 in kitchen. That's not bad. Like, that's really not bad at all. It's got some decent reviews. There's literally only one other FBA seller, so this would be pretty decent. Let's see. Yeah, that one. Wait. Oh yeah, and the other FBA person is in. Oh, never mind. Okay, so Amazon is on the listing, and why the hell is dude selling it for? I never got that. I feel like some people like never look at their stuff. There's this person on here that's selling it for $24.90, and Amazon is selling it for $14.99. You will never get a sale. Like, why? Like, that just makes no sense. But yeah, you guys see how simple this is though. You would go through the whole process, looking this up here, and then that's it. You know, you would just scan them, see if you're gonna make money off of it. Let's see if we can scan this one right here. This one isn't like really distinct like the Mickey Mouse one, so I doubt this one will come up. No, it's not coming up. There's like no distinctive markings or anything like that. But you guys see what I'm saying though. Like, you guys can do this stuff. It's not hard. Like, I mean, just literally come on here, scan a few items, and like literally within like 30 minutes to an hour, you might find something. I mean, if you don't find something the first day or find something you're interested in or in your price range, again, you know, all you got to do is just go through and, you know, just find something. Eventually, you will find something. It's just that simple. You'll find something eventually. But again, go to new, you know, and then you just, again, just scroll down and just see whatever you want to sell. Because, I mean, for me personally, I'll sell whatever. Like, if I'm ungated in it and I don't have to worry about, like, getting the account shut down or, you know, anything along those lines, best believe I'll sell it. That's just me, all right? Some people stick to, like, one particular item, you know, like, if I could sell Nike, Adidas, you know, and all that, best believe I'd be doing all of that too. But since I can't at the moment, video games are, like, the next best thing. Well, arguably, they're probably better, honestly, because you're only spending, well, at least for me personally, I'm spending, like, $3 on a video game, and, you know, selling it for $20 in profit. Like, that's not bad. And video games are ranked super low, like really, really low. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I don't think there's anything else we can go over. Let's see if there's any other sales in the account here before I end this. Nope. Still at 12 units for today. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Again, quick recap. To find these type of you know, deals and stuff, all you literally have to do, go to source.com, liquidation.com, Walmart. I think it's liquidation.walmart.com. But there's just a whole bunch of like liquidation type sites or whatever. You know, also another thing is too, if you're one of the people that like don't want Amazon to make more money than you, all you literally have to do is just buy items that has more profit than what Amazon will charge. That's it, right? Because, I mean, you'll see some where people will have like $30,000 in sales, but they'll be getting like 8,000 of that, you know, and Amazon's pocketing the rest. Like, I mean, holy fuck, that's crazy. Now, don't get me wrong, they might have spent like 1,000, so I mean, that's not bad. But I mean, when you look at it on paper, that's like, well, damn. they're getting a lot of money. So literally just buy items that you're just gonna make more profit on. Like again, like for the video games, you know, there are some like basically on the ones that I'm breaking even, well not breaking even, but I'm spending 3 to make 3. We're getting the same amount, right? And then on the video games where I'm spending $3 for them, and they're like 30 or whatever, or 40, Amazon is probably getting like 5, 6, $8 out of that, and I'm pocketing the 20. So my numbers are gonna look a lot better, versus if I was buying stuff that had low profit margins on my end. Even if I'm making money on paper, it just does not look good when you got $50,000 in sales or whatever, and you're only getting like 10 of that. Like again, even if you only spend like $500, again, don't get me wrong, that's still really good ass money, to be spending $500 for. But it just doesn't look good on paper. Like, oh, you got $50,000 in sales this month, but you're only walking away with like 10. Like, I mean, come on now, that's kind of crazy. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Also, be sure to hit the Goodwills in your area. I actually bought one of these little wish I would have grabbed it off the car. I could have showed you guys whatever, but I spent $13 on it, brand spanking new, and it's literally selling for I think it was like $170 online. Crazy. The rank is a little high. It's like I think it's like 400,000 or something like that in kitchen. But you guys already know me. I'm more than willing to wait. Not to mention, I basically got it damn near almost free. I had one of those little coupon things, so they gave me another $5 off of it. So I only spent like $8 for it. So if you guys have not been at the Goodwill, I mean, I don't even know what to tell you guys. Got to start hitting the Goodwills. But that's pretty much it, guys. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below.